5 a.m. The air in the mountains is thin and biting cold. Before the sun shows its face, I'm already at the outdoor sink.
Brushing my teeth with mountain spring water is enough to wake up every nerve in my body. It's freezing, but it's pure.
Next, I head to the kitchen to start the fire. I blow on the embers till the wood catches.
I boil a small pot of water for tea and cook some leftover rice with a few wild eggs for breakfast. Simple fuel for a long day. With my basket on my back and my trusty machete in hand, I begin the trek. To reach my fields, I have to walk for 40 minutes through the old forest. It's a peaceful walk. The bird song and flowers make it worthwhile. The path is slippery from the night dew. I have to clear some overgrown ferns to find the trail. You learn to listen here. The snap of a twig or the rustle of leaves tells you if a wild animal is nearby. I stop for a moment to breathe. The scent of damp earth and pine resin is the best perfume in the world. Finally, the forest opens up to my hillside farm. My ancestors once farmed this slope, and now it's my turn. Today, I'm clearing weeds, foraging mushrooms in the forest, and harvesting the corn I planted earlier. These mushrooms are perfect for tonight's stew, and the corn is ripening nicely. The sun blazes through the mist with a fierce brilliance, and sweat drenches my body like a second skin. People in the city might think this life is backward, but when I look at these mountains, I don't feel poor. I feel free. I have the sky for a roof and the forest for a home. My body is tired, but my soul is full. Time to get back to work. There's still a lot to do before the sun goes down. Well, here we are. Home, sweet home. Did you miss me, old friends? The sun is dipping behind the peaks, painting the sky in shades of orange and violet. It's time to feed the chickens. Cook, cook, cook. They know my voice, and they know it's dinner time. I throw a handful of dried corn onto the dirt. Watching them scramble for food brings a small smile to my face. It's a simple cycle of life. I care for them, and they provide for me. Back inside, the house is quiet. I wash some rice and put the pot over the fire. I sit by the hearth to shell some corn. Here, little one, have some food. Pop, pop, pop. The sound of corn hitting the wooden bowl mixes with the crackle of the burning wood. This is my favorite time of day. The warmth of the fire chases away the mountain mist that begins to crawl under the door. Dinner is done, and my chores are finished. My body is heavy with a good tired, the kind of tiredness that comes from honest work. I pull the heavy blanket up to my chin. Outside, the crickets have started their concert. Tomorrow, the sun will rise, and I will do it all over again. And I wouldn't have it any other way. So, that is a day in my life here in the mountains. It's simple, but it's mine. How about you? What was your day like? Please leave a comment and let me know. I'd love to hear your story. Good night.